Hello everyone, welcome to Sources classes. So in this video again we'll be continuing our discussion with question from ISI Mstat PSA 2020 paper. So the question that we'll be dealing with here in this question number 3. So let's take a look at the question and try and solve the same. Okay. So let's take a look. Let A equal to 1 comma 1, B equal to 2 comma minus 2 comma 0, C equal to 1 comma 2 and D be the vertices of a parallelogram in XY plane listed clockwise. Then we need to find point D. Okay, so it's a parallelogram in the XY plane. So let me just first draw the graph. Okay, so 1 minus 2, 1, 2. Okay, so this is what we have here. So let me just mark the points in this. So this is my origin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so these are, so we have A is 1 minus 1. Okay, so this is point A. Okay, so this is point A, 1 comma minus 1, this point. B is minus 2 comma 0, so this is B. Just highlight the same. B minus 2 comma 0 and C is 1 comma 2, so this is C. Okay, C is 1 comma 2. Okay, this is C. So now what we have over here, this is a parallelogram basically. Okay, so let me do one thing. Let D coordinate be x comma y. Okay, so now what we have here, let me just, okay, let me join these lines. Let me use a different color. A and B will be joined, this will be joined, D will be somewhere around here in this portion. Okay, D will be somewhere around there, so we don't know the position of D as of yet. So okay, let me assume D be here. Let this particular point be D. I don't know the position of D as of yet, so this be D x comma y. Okay, so I'm not aware of what D's position actually is. This regards. So say this is my parallelogram ABCD. So now since we know it's a parallelogram given in the question, so we know slope of line AB. So slope of AB will be equal to slope of CD. Okay, opposite side. Then similarly slope of BC, okay, will be equal to slope of AD. We know this, so therefore if we find the slope of one AB, so let this be 1 and let this be 2. So if we take a look at slope of AB, so we have the x coordinates and y coordinates, so y minus y1, y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. That's what we have here. Okay, so what we'll have is minus 1 minus 0 by 1 minus of minus 2 is equal to y minus 2 by x minus 1. So this would give us minus x plus 1 equal to thrice y minus 6, or x plus 3y is equal to 7. Okay, this is my first equation. Similarly, if this is from equation 1, so if we follow equation 2 that way, so in this regards 2 minus 0, okay, divided by 1 minus of minus 2 is equal to y minus of minus 1 by x minus 1. So this will give us 2x minus 2 equal to 3y plus 3, or followed by this would be 2x minus 3y equal to 5. So let this be equation 3, this be equation 4. So if we do 4 plus 3, then we have 4x is equal to, no sorry, 3x, my bad. 3x is equal to 12, or x is equal to 4. So we have any option with 4? Yes, x equal to 4, option A. Option A will be the correct, and invariably you can find the value again, x equal to 4, so 3, and y will be equal to 1. Okay, these are our answer. So this point would simply be 4, 1. Okay, so I hope this thing is clear to you, the approach and everything. So in case you have any doubt, just go through the video. I don't think you should face much of an issue in this regards. So with all this said and done, I'll be signing out. Thank you so much.